What's good YouTube, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm Alxr. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lace your Air Jordan 6's. So this is like the best way to wear them in my opinion, because like you have the lace lock on the foot, so there's no way it's going to fall off and you're going to lose it, because if you do then that just sucks. But now you've got it on the foot, so it's not going to come off. Plus the laces, they hang over the edge. It just looks so fresh this way. These are the infrareds, but of course you can do on any colourway. Before I get into it, before I show you how to lace them, so if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below. Also, turn the bell to get notifications when I upload, which is pretty regularly. So if you do like this video, make sure to subscribe. Also, smash that like button. I've done like quite a few of these now, so I've done one on like the Jordan 11s, the Concords. I've done one on the Jordan 1s, Vans, and some Air Force. So if you do want to check those out and you want to see how I like to lace those other shoes, I'll leave a link to those in the description. Without further ado, I'm going to show you how to lace your Air Jordan 6's like so. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. Let's go. So getting into it, for me personally, I think it's much easier to lace your shoes whilst they're on your feet. So I've got them on now, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to completely unlace both of the shoes. So now that I've got both of the shoes completely unlaced, I'm going to start off with this shoe, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the lace and I'm going to thread it through the outside going inwards, so through this hole here, through the bottom hole, and then pulling upwards, and then I'm going to take the lace lock, so it's like this, and then taking the lace lock, putting it through like so and keeping the laces flat, and then taking this part of the lace and putting it through the outside of the shoe through the bottom hole also, and then taking the two tops of the laces, so these parts here, and holding them together to keep the laces the same length on either side, and then pulling up whilst holding the bottom part of the laces, and then moving the lace lock to keep it in the middle. So as you can see, the lace is now the same length on either side, and the lace lock just sits in the middle of the shoe. So now we can get into lacing them all the way up, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the inside lace and put that through the outside hole, keeping the laces flat whilst doing so, and then leaving a little bit of room at the bottom so that the laces are loose, and then taking the outside lace and putting that through the inside hole, just making sure to keep the laces flat whilst doing so, and then leaving it loose at the bottom, and taking the inside lace and putting that through the outside, and then the outside, and putting that through the inside, and then the inside, and putting that through the outside, and then the outside, and then putting that through the inside. So now as you can see, we've laced up 1, 2, 3, 4 of the holes. So now I've got to this part here. I'm just going to take the inside lace and thread that underneath this gap just here, so it goes underneath like so, and then through the outside, so you can see just like that, and then threading that through the hole on the outside of the shoe, and then taking the outside lace and then threading that underneath but over the top of the other lace, so it goes underneath but over the top of the other lace, and making sure it's flat whilst doing so, so just like so, and then it goes to the inside but over the top, so for the inside of the shoe, and then through. As you can see, looks just like that, and then taking the inside lace and putting it through the same gap as before, but this time rather than going through this part to this part, it goes from this part to this part here, so putting it up through the bottom and then pulling up so it goes upwards. It's a bit tricky, but as you can see, it just goes through the bottom part, through this top part here, and then it can go through this hole here, and then taking the outside lace and putting that through the bottom part as we did before on the other side. So I can go through this gap here, so just like so, keeping the laces flat, and that can go through the bottom of the top part, so just this hole and then pulling through. So now you can see the laces are looking loose, so rather than having it just dangling over the edge, you can either tie it up at this point and just put a knot in and leave it like that, or how I like to wear them is taking the inside lace and threading it through the inside of the top part, so this hole here, and then it just goes through like that and then sits out like that, and then taking the outside lace and then pushing that through the inside through the top part. So as you can see now, the laces look super loose. You've got a lace lock on the front, so it's not going to fall off or anything, and the laces just hang over the edge. So now that I've done this shoe, I'm going to do the other shoe. It's the exact same thing. I just figured I'll show you on this shoe and I'll show you on this shoe. So I'm going to doing that now. So this is what they look like completely finished. You can see it's got the lace lock sitting on the front of the shoe. There's no way it's going to fall off now, it will just stay there. Got the laces hanging over the edge. The shoes are super loose but not so loose that they're going to just fall off your feet, so you can get them on and off pretty easily. The laces are loose and they just look fresh this way in my opinion. Make sure to let me know in the comments what you think of this lacing style, and let me know if you lace them any other way. Without further ado, I'm going to show you what these look like on feet. Thank you for watching. Subscribe down below, turn that bell to get notifications when I upload. Leave a thumbs up too if this video was helpful. I'm going to show you what these look like on feet now. I'm out. Peace.
I'm on a new level, headed to another league. This shit will never stop, my future looks overseas. I'm on a new level, check out the blueprint. I'm rocking Gucci, mixed match with Givenchy. I'm on a new level, so see if I can new drip. Chest like it's Nike, me I just do it.